Data analysis is the practice of converting raw data into meaningful insights that help organizations make informed business decisions and improve overall performance. Gathering data from multiple sources, cleaning and organizing it to ensure accuracy, and analyzing it using various techniques to uncover patterns, trends, and unusual observations. Although data analysts and data scientists work with data, their roles and responsibilities differ. Using visualization tools such as Power BI and Microsoft Excel, analysts create charts, dashboards, and reports that make complex information easy to understand. These visualizations enable stakeholders to interpret the findings and make confident, data-driven decisions. Overall, data analysis combines analytical methods, technical skills, programming languages, and predictive techniques to identify valuable insights, forecast future trends, and support better business strategies.